I ate guava the wrong way? How to eat beneficial for diabetics. Guava is known as a healing fruit for diabetics. Many people with diabetes use guava because they think this is a simple measure to lower blood sugar without knowing that eating them the wrong way is the fastest way for diabetics to reduce their lifespan. Guava is a very healthy fruit, especially for people with diabetes. However, this fruit only really works when people with diabetes know how to eat properly. It is a fairly high glycemic index fruit. Can people with diabetes eat? Should diabetics eat guava regularly? Is it good for diabetics? The effects of them on diabetes like? How to eat guava is the wrong way. Ms. Jamie Young in Texas always practices eating scientifically, practicing according to books, taking medicine according to doctor's orders, but her blood sugar still rises. Being told to drink guava juice daily by many people will have the effect of lowering blood sugar. She diligently performs. When her blood sugar rose to 14 point, she was hospitalized. Her whole family knew that the main reason was because she ate guava the wrong way. According to nutritionist Lisa, American Society for Nutrition ASN, guava has a high glycemic index, GI equals 78. Therefore, eating it the wrong way will cause blood sugar to rise. If the blood sugar is high and prolonged, the patient will be at risk of facing dangerous complications such as blindness, kidney failure, limb necrosis, and even death. Some of the most common ways to eat wrong guava are: the first, use juice to drink every day. The second, eat it near before or after the main meal. The third, eating it is not limited in quantity. Why is guava still beneficial for diabetics? Bowden_a nutritionist, said, in the diet for diabetics, not only pay attention to the glycemic index, GI, of food but also pay attention to the glycemic load, GL, index of food. Diabetics can consume foods with a high GI as long as the GL of the food is low. Guava has GI equals 78, but the glycemic load in 100 grams is quite low, accounting for 4/40ths, so people with diabetes can eat this fruit. And Lisa affirmed, guava has a high content of soluble and insoluble fiber, in 100 grams has up to 6 grams of fiber, which helps to reduce cholesterol, slow down sugar absorption after eating. In addition, the high concentration of lycopene, vitamin C, beta-carotene and potassium, is very helpful in enhancing the function of the immune system, reducing the risk of complications from infection, antioxidation, and protection. Neurons, blood vessels from damage from free radicals, the main cause of diabetes complications. And so what is the main reason for you to eat them? The nutritional value of guava: there are three main types of sugars: fructose, about 59%, glucose, about 36%, and saccharose, about 5%, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, healthdeliciousness.com. Therefore, it has a natural sweet taste, which is favored by many people. It can be seen that, in addition to providing energy, it also adds many essential nutrients for the body: fiber, protein, calcium, vitamins. In which, the proportion of sugar accounts for 10%, 10 grams, 100 grams guava. The effects of them on diabetes can help people to lower blood sugar safely. Reduce insulin resistance in patients. According to scientists, inhibitory activity of the protein enzyme tyrosine phosphatase 1b extracted from guava has a positive effect in the treatment of people with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, guava or its leaf extracts may decrease insulin resistance in diabetics. The rich source of fiber helps prevent high blood sugar after eating. Fiber plays a role in preventing blood sugar from rising after eating, and reducing cholesterol absorption. It is a relatively high source of fiber, with up to 6 grams of fiber for every 100 grams of guava, so diabetics can choose to eat it to control blood sugar. Thus, answer the question: can people with diabetes eat guava? Is eating it good for diabetes? That is, the patient can eat them, the effect of them on diabetes tends to be positive. However, patients need to pay attention to eating them properly to bring effect to diabetes. However, when suffering from diabetes, patients need to consider carefully before eating sweet foods, including fruits, to avoid the disease progression, causing dangerous complications. Therefore, eating guava with diabetes has not become a concern for quite a few people. According to traditional medicine, guava has warm properties, sweet and sour taste, has the use of cystic condition, good for digestion, used in treating intestinal diseases and improving diabetes. It brings many positive effects for diabetics, helping to support effective treatment, avoiding disease progression. However, guava juice can cause an increase in blood sugar. The position of diabetics should not use juice. Using whole guava helps patients take full advantage of the amount of fiber, helping to balance sugar and cholesterol in the blood. This is very beneficial for the diabetic condition.